Hello everyone, this is Manoj here. Welcome to Selenium interview questions from Learn Test Automation. So from today we are going to start this new series that is called Selenium interview questions, and here we will discuss Selenium interview questions for experienced people, and this will be beneficial for people who are very new to test automation with Selenium. Uh, and this will be beneficial for everyone, I can say, manual tester, experienced people who are in QA field and they want to make their career in Selenium, okay, automation. So let me introduce myself. My name is Manoj, and I have over 10 years of experience in test automation. So I started my career as a manual tester, okay, and then I slowly learned QTP with VB script, and more than 4 or 5 years I worked on QTP. I developed many other kind of frameworks like uh, data driven framework, keyword driven framework, hybrid framework. So I have worked on those as well. And then I moved to Selenium with Java. I worked on a couple of years on Selenium with Java. Then I currently I'm working on Selenium with C Sharp. Okay, so quite interesting journey I have. So I want to share those uh, experience with you all so that you can also get benefit out of these. So I was thinking about to start this series from a very long time. So what let me give you the details of this series, what we're going to do in this series. We will talk about um, interview questions in the Selenium, and this series will mainly focus on Selenium with Java. Okay, so we'll talk about questions, we'll talk about how to answer those questions in interview room. Okay, so this will be very beneficial for people who are looking for a role in test automation. So generally what happens when you go for the interview, we uh, prepare ourselves for the interview and we read a lot of interview questions and we practice, but we don't focus how interviewer will ask those questions. Okay, because a single there will be no straight questions, there will be scenarios. Okay, so we'll talk about those scenarios, how people ask questions, right? So let me, I have noted down many questions here. Okay, that I will share with everyone. So today I just want to give a glimpse what are questions I have. From the next video onwards, we'll discuss in detail from for each questions how to answer, what the code should be. Okay, so let's start with the questions. Like there will be questions like there are some links, and if you click on a link, it will open a new URL, right? A new page, or you can say a new browser. How to verify if the URL has some specific text? Okay, so see, this is not a simple question like how to get the page title of a browser. Here they have given a scenario, right? Like if there is a link, if I click on link, it will open a new browser. So you see how we have to think ourselves before answering. Okay, I have seen many people just answer directly without thinking, like I can get this, get page title or something like this. So think before answering, and there will be, as I said earlier, there will be no straight question, there will be scenario based questions, right? And then we'll talk about this Java interview questions as well, but for now I can skip those questions. uh, Another important question people ask is uh, how to work with alerts. Okay, we'll discuss about that, how to download a file, right? So these are also very important questions I have seen in many interviews. And then some programming questions we'll talk about later. So let me go directly to the questions. We're starting from here, I guess. Yeah. So this is the starting questions of any interview. What is explicit weight? What is implicit weight? And I have seen many people are not able to answer these questions correctly. So uh, I give some simple way to answer those kind of questions, and you should learn basically. Okay. So because these are very important concepts, we should understand how WebDriver works. And then many questions will be on actions class, like uh, how to right click on a page, how to drag and drop, okay, how to double click on a page. These kind of things can be asked in action class. There is a class in Java which we can use for these purpose, right? And another very important topic of the interview room is web tables. Okay. And many people get confused while answering these questions. How, suppose there's a question how to click link Manoj in a web table. Okay. So first we need to find out the how many rows are there, how many columns are there in that web table, and how to iterate and to get that link and how to click. Okay. So don't worry, we'll talk in detail how to answer these questions. Another very interesting topic is of the for the interview is desired capabilities. Okay. So we'll talk about this. And then another thing is Firefox profile, how to create manually and as well as with code. Okay. And then JavaScript executor, uh, there will be how to take screenshots. Okay. Various questions can be asked. Okay. So I'm just giving a brief introduction for this video. From next video onwards we'll talk in detail, right? uh, Other questions, what those can be, how to handle pop-up. Okay. So there are some very easy questions. Another very confusing, I can say, because many people uh, uh, don't answer these correctly. So how to handle multiple windows. Okay. So here we need to give using collections, right? This using set collection. So we will discuss in detail, don't worry about this. And uh, what others questions can be, Chrome. Okay. How to do settings on Chrome, like ignore certificate and all those things. uh, Another thing is how to disable cookies. I have seen people will ask these questions in interview. uh, Let me see what other questions can be. Interesting topic will be grid. Okay. How to set up grid, how to, what is hub, what is node, how we set grid. All these kind of questions can be asked in interview room. Okay. So, and apart from Selenium, questions will be from Java basics. Okay. So this is just an introduction video, and from next video onwards we'll take each question will uh, try to answer a detailed answer with code. Okay. I'm going to provide. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching this. If you like, please like and share this video. Thank you everyone.